Game! Gawa tayo ng sinampalukang manok. Yan ang mga ingredients. Garlic, onion, and ginger. Tapos chicken, tapos yung sampalok leaves. Tapos yung mga condiments, onion, white pepper, garlic powder, sea salt, and chicken powder, and fish sauce. And tamarind. Okay? Sutay na tayo. Ginger. Garlic. Onion. Chicken. Then chicken stock. And then tamarind. Okay? Little bit of fish sauce. Hindi na yan. Then yung leaves. There you have it. Sinampalukang manok. Thank you. Bye-bye.